Hello everyone, my name is Pranshu Gupta. Today's video on this project, online food delivery order placement using Postman. In this project, I am complete this task overview like one first create a mock JSON mock API. After that, using Postman to send the post request for placing a new order. So like the first is create one file mock API. This file name is order.json. After that, write a code in C. Invalidate array structure item like prices and requirement fields. So right here in orders. After that, creating one array. In this array, first is customer name like Priyanshu Gupta. After that, customer what we order. So I'm creating one array for orders like name, price, quantity, where we place, address, like this. After that, creating this file, open Postman, open this CMD, open CMD command prompt, enter command prompt open, write one command npx JSON server. After that, paste the file path. This is my file. Right click on this file. One second. File. What we have is to create copy as a path. Click on this. After that, go to command prompt, paste here or enter. This execute. After executed, here is endpoint. Copy this and go into Postman here. First, first create one collection like first create a new workshop. Create workshop here blank workshop. Click here. After that, next. Here, write your workshop name like is API testing. After that, write internal. Click on this. After that, you create this workshop. Once you creating workshop, after that, create collection. Click on this. Write your collection name, anything like testing. Enter. After that, add a request. The request name is get. The get work as a you paste this in get. After send, the get is fetch all the data what we have in your file. After getting the data, add a new request right here, right select, select add request. In my project, here we perform the post request to placing a new order. So new request name is post. Select here post, copy request, add a new data. Like I will send this request. So 201 created. So for add a new data, going to body, row, and JSON format. Here add a new data like customer name, add new customer like give me some name like Atul. After that, what we order Atul right here is like price also quantity 2 or address total price is 400. After this save this or send it. Here see adding a new order. After that, uh, for watching this video, like and subscribe and share. Thank you.